This is cat-cow. So we are going to be performing this on hands and knees. So let's get into that position. So your hands are going to be underneath your shoulders and your knees are underneath your hips. And we want to try and start with as neutral of a spine as possible. So we're not starting like this. We want to start with a relatively flat, neutral spine. And oftentimes, if you just tighten up your abdominals a little bit, that corrects bad spinal posture. So here we go. Let's move into cow first. So cow is the posture where you're dropping your belly down towards the earth. You're drawing your shoulder blades in together a little bit. You're looking up if it feels good on your neck. And then let's move into cat, which is the total opposite. We're going to push ourselves away from the earth. You're drawing your abdominals in. It's almost like someone's pulling your belly button up towards the ceiling on a string. And you can allow your neck to relax in this position. So let's move through cat-cow again. Here's our cow. And then pushing away, here's our cat. Okay, so let's incorporate some breathing into this. Take a breath in as you move into cow, drawing the shoulder blades in, belly sinks. Look up if it feels good on your neck. And then breathe out as you push yourself away from the mat. Very nice. If you wanted to add some foot or ankle movements into this, let's try that. So let's start with our feet like so. So we're on our tippy toes. I'm going to have you take a breath in and move into cow, shoulder blades down and back, look up a little bit. And then as you breathe out and move into cat, relax the tops of your feet down onto the ground. Take a breath in as you move back into cow. Last time. And breathe out as you move into cat and relax the tops of your feet down onto the mat. And that is your cat-cow.